how are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So my beautiful family, today I'm going to share with you wonders they normally say shall never end. See, this is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. There is a reason why I am here. I tell you now before I say everything when it happen, the truth must be out. And in my last program I said I want to analyze them, Mr. Vagabønd and Ada Onyoncho. I said they should bring something out, what the Brgie is doing. Let us start analyzing what they are doing. Not every time, only one side, only Dr. Ngozi, only the Dr. Ngozi. There is something to it. I said, I want it to circulate round. Let them bring their own also. Now, people are now asking, what is Brgie doing? Hey, my people, this program, you need to carry your joke, come you sit down. Breeze don't blow, Fawonya jaw open. I told you, I said, Vava have nothing to offer. In fact, Vava na Sabo. Vava is not working for Biafra. What is just looking for is a team to start attacking Dr. Ngozi. That was what he's looking for. He know they fight for any Biafra, but the God that Dr. Ngozi is serving is a great God. Now there is fire on the mountain. Everybody is not coming out to speak their own mind the way it should be. See, you don't get any government when they know they condemn. No, you don't get any government when people don't talk about. Every day we call Donald Trump, we call Nigeria president, we call everybody. That is the freedom that people have. So if they question what your government is doing, let your government sit tight and do more. Now the slogan be that. That was what I was even expecting this non-entity to do. They start questioning not only one side. When they start saying what they are saying, the government will sit up and say, oh, yes, I've not done this, I've not done this. That is why you are there. But what they are doing is just to attack only Dr. Ngozi, to make it look like that woman, she's not doing anything because they want position. Now, God don't expose them. You know what? The same people that are saying that Dr. Ngozi is not getting it right one bit, that are saying Dr. Ngozi is Sorabofu Landi, that said she's working with the federal government of Nigeria, they are not questioning Vam. They are not questioning Brgie to say, what is Brgie doing? That Brgie are not doing anything. In fact, in one of their elections, they said, Mr. Ogekere should get out. Mr. Ogekere should step aside. The team, it don't hurt. And now the fire day. Yes, so now me want the analyze video. The fire does start, and it does start for the camp of all the enemies. What takes you for standing for the truth? What takes you from doing it right? I say, now so I go they use touch, they will lot people nash. Now the fire does start. Anything they said, I go go analyze them. Yes, because they don't expect me to keep quiet, and they must bring something to the table for me to analyze. Now, Mr. Vamus, you never see anything. You just start. You be sabo. This is when I know. Listen to this.
About our men of the Biafra Liberation Army. And we're supposed to stand this as a warning. Biafra Unite to stop information about. I don't want anything talk about Biafra Unite. Believe me, you people don't know the state we are in. I don't want it. Don't come and tell me any Biafra Unite anything. Leave them. PM Naga Court one nachi.
Shut up.
Biafra Unite are not on a cabinet. The last time I checked, he might have opinion against someone in Brgie. He might have his opinion. You understand? But from all I see, I listened to his program yesterday. From all I see, I did not see him validating Ngozi Arabueze. I was commenting on that program. I did not see him validating Ngozi Arabueze. I am not happy that he's speaking about BDF.
Oh.
I don't want to start antagonizing again. Yeah, Chukwama, yes, let me do say something. I'm not happy about it. Fine. But right now, I'm telling you, that's not the distraction that we need. Let me choose a mega force against Ngozi Arabueze. And he is in Brgie. Please, now calm down. So,
in case you don't understand what is happening, this Mr. Vagabønd said Biafra Unite is a Brgie cabinet. And also, if you say some things against somebody in cabinet, you know what? It's one day Mr. Ogekere said, the reason why Biafra Unite is angry, that is because of Paul. say because of Mr. Paul. He said Biafra Unite and Mr. Paul are not in good terms. So Biafra Unite said he don't want to go to Brgie because of Paul is there. So now Vavava is not saying that Biafra Unite brought some things that is angry with. That maybe is angry with one or two persons in Brgie. So that is why Biafra Unite is behaving the way he's behaving. And somebody else asked, what about what Emmanuel said? This Sabo said, leave what Emmanuel said. Is not a problem. But the main thing is that Emmanuel is fighting with Dr. Ngozi. Emmanuel is fighting Dr. Ngozi. So because he's fighting Dr. Ngozi, if he said anything concerning Mr. Ogekere or Brgie, is not a problem. That's why you be sample. You never confess him. Now, let me tell you what Emmanuel said. He said that Mr. Ogekere should get out. Yes. If you don't want to tell them, I go tell them. The video is there. He made the video and he said, now he don't want to cover the nyash of Mr. Ogekere anymore. In fact, he said Mr. Ogekere is not doing it well. Mr. Ogekere is not doing it. And Mr. Ogekere should step aside. That was what Emmanuel Remeju said. Yes, so this person is not telling Vavava that. You did not hear what Emmanuel said. He said anything that Emmanuel said. He don't care. But the most important thing is that Emmanuel is fighting Dr. Ngozi. You see, say this Vavava not the fight for Biafra. He is not even fighting for Brgie. In fact, Vavava na Sabo. Vavava na Sabo, his own is just to gather people to fight Dr. Ngozi. You know fully well that these people, when they gather, they have seen the truth. They don't see that thing when they talk. Say, no, this is not supposed to be from one direction. It's supposed to be spirit. It's supposed to rotate round. When someone is not getting it right, you come out and you say, and that was exactly what the people are not doing. Now, they now shined the force and said, we've been fighting Dr. Ngozi. What about Mr. Ogekere that is there that is not doing anything? What about Brgie that they are not doing anything? Omo, follow up this matter. Oh, hey, hey. Follow up this matter because Progress the analyst I am here. This Mr. Vagabønd, you go. In fact, you never start. That you never start. Vavava Sabo is not fighting for Biafra. You see, he cannot even express himself what the Brgie has done, but he agreed that there are a lot of things that the Brgie is doing that is not right. He said, but nobody should say it in public. You see, you never start. If it's Dr. Ngozi, you said people should come and fight Dr. Ngozi. You see, say you be Vagabønd. You never see anything. You see your life. You see, I tell you before, you see your life. Hey, Biafra Unite is Brgie. Biafra Unite is this. You go explain, tire, no evidence. You see your life. You are talking as if Biafra Unite speak only Dr. Ngozi all through the program. He talk about both of them. Officially, we are there. Fully yourself in the comment section. You see your life. All the words that Biafra Unite said yesterday about Mr. Ogekere, were you able to defend him? I was thinking when you on your live stream, you will start defending Mr. Ogekere, but you have nothing to say because what Biafra Unite said about Ogekere is true. That was what you have said. And listen very well, when people started attacking that, why is Biafra Unite saying this thing? He said Biafra Unite have the right to say it. That a lot of things are of a truth going wrong. However, you go confess. You see, you go confess. Listen to Vavava.
Asking this thing. We spoke with each other. The government has spoken to them and they heard. So let's just go ahead and do the needful.
Okay, now the government has spoken to them and they heard. You see, so whenever they want to bring out the truth, the government will call them and say, please, you people should not talk about us outside, only talk about Dr. Ngozi. I confess him. He said the Brgie government have called the people that are saying that Mr. Ogekere should get out from that post that is not doing anything. He said now they have called them and they have heard. See, now I do. I go nowhere. I go analyze all of una matter.
You guys have legitimate rights and what you're saying. Let me tell you, I have come on this platform and told us don't attack Biafra Unite. I have tried to reach out to Biafra Unite. He doesn't want to accept my
because you have nothing to offer now.
Okay with that.
You see your life.
I'm okay. You understand? I tried to enter his studio to relate with him and make him understand that we are one. Yesterday he refused to bring me to the studio. He refused, but I'm okay. You know why? I listened to him. I saw some of the things he said. He said it's no longer part of Brgie. Fine. Okay. You see, but let me tell you one thing. You people cannot fight for God.
Oh, poor. But you be fighting for God. You see,
that is not for us. It's against us. And if that fights against us, we'll be fighting himself. You understand? So let us not go there at all. There is something that I encouraged myself with yesterday.
You never start.
That is one assurance that my fear before, that he was supporting Ngozi. That fear have been put to...
Wait, you see this non-entity? He said that nobody should attack Biafra Unite. And Biafra Unite made it clear yesterday that it don't belong to anywhere, don't belong to anybody. This vagabond said his fear, this fear of Dr. Ngozi is the beginning of their downfall. I tell you. He said his fear, he was thinking that Biafra Unite now so will be supporting Dr. Ngozi. He said, but yesterday, he saw that Biafra Unite did not support Ngozi, so he's okay. So they fear Biafra Unite like this. They fear Dr. Ngozi like this. You are looking for people that will help you to come and fight her. You make one statement to say you cannot fight for God, and you want to fight for God. You are fighting Dr. Ngozi. What did she do to you? That you are recruiting people every day. You see, say the thing don't backfire. You never fear. He said his fear is that Biafra Unite should not have a U-turn and start attacking Brgie. He said, but yesterday, he was so happy that Biafra Unite did not attack Brgie. It did not attack, it's not with Dr. Ngozi, but I wish Biafra Unite is with Dr. Ngozi. Oh, he is so afraid. Do they fear? Only me for you now, you they fear. Why are you looking for people to fight with you? If I may ask. I said, fight a good fight. Fight a just cause. I like the people to say the truth. But as you talk, what I go talk, say your government don't call them. Hey, maybe they will call change their maths now. I don't know, but now you talk. You say your government don't call them because yesterday they blast Mr. Ogekere to get out. Hey, yesterday they said Mr. Ogekere should step aside. You hear that? You know, hear. Let's continue.
Not supporting Ngozi.
Okay.
I am not sure he's not fighting for Ngozi.
You see?
So whatever he's fighting for, you're a chairman.
You do
so
so,
come and start talking about Biafra, Biafra. The reason why I told you he's in Brgie is because I see that there is maybe one or two individuals or some of the decisions Brgie are taking that he does not agree with.
Okay.
Everybody must not agree with everything you say.
Okay, you see? He said there are some things that they are doing in Brgie that Biafra Unite will not agree with, that everybody will not agree with what you say. So why you say you go buy me because I not agree with you? See, I tell you, I go drag you. I go drag you. Why do you want to buy people because they did not agree with you? So now you know that we disagree to agree, right? Because I did not agree with you, I say what you are saying, I don't believe you. I did not agree with you and that only on toe. Now they drag me for how many years? You see, say the table don't turn. Now on turn now. Now on two turn. You see? Vava even he did not even like Brgie. Because he cannot even defend Mr. Ogekere. Everything that they said about Mr. Ogekere, Vava could not even debunk anyone. Make una they follow Vava now. No, I pity for now.
But there were some concerns they were making out. Some of those concerns, I want to tell you, some of you don't know that they are legitimate concerns. Okay. Very, very legitimate. But am I going to come here and start discussing it? The answer is no.
You will discuss it.
At the stage where we are now,
hey.
We are at the, we just crossed the Rubicon. And then by now, I have to have any discussion.
Hey.
In fact, now, Adapota, support or our USB, our DPM. I did not hear that though. Rabbi Jews have not come and say our DPM anymore. He was saying it before, but he has not said it again. He came on our 30th of May and he declared for BRGIE. He declared for what we are doing. So maybe some questions is not going down well with you.
You see what he said? He said there was some concern. Now he know that a government can fall. Vava said these people, why they were blasting Mr. Ogekere yesterday, was because Ogekere is not doing it right. Vava agreed. He said because Ogekere is not doing it right, and there are some concern. He said that yesterday, I be the 30th of this thing they celebrated, that they declared their stand for Brgie. But for now, look, now only Dr. Ngozi self like bring people when they patrol. Yes. I don't know if you follow up. Now only Dr. Ngozi bring people when they patrol. Vava, where are your people? Vava, nobody patrol for you. Nobody salute for you. But we see the one where they say USB do. As I said before, I'm not here to say don't talk about Dr. Ngozi when he's doing it wrong or no. But it's the manner at which they are carrying it. That is what I'm against. I tell you, I say, I work for you. Now to analyze something. When the truth is out, I pack my load. I go to another direction. That is progress the analyst. That is why I am here. I'm not here for some specific people. No, I'm here for everybody. I will bring the world closer to your doorstep. But in the course of doing that, when I discovered that some group of people that say they are fighting for Biafra, they are not really fighting for Biafra, like this pastor Vagabønd, that this fallout from church, when they drive from church as pastor, or they call that pastor, this Vagabønd. I know that he's not fighting for Biafra, he's lying. And progress analyst, I am here to deliver my people. I'm here to let them know that don't face this direction. These people, they are sellers. These people, they are liars. These people, they have nothing to offer. Vagabønd is just making noise on social media. You hear that from him. He said Mr. Ogekere himself is not getting it right. So why do you think that people should not talk? But if they talk about Mr. Ogekere when they get right, you go and shop the person. But now the ball rotates now. It bounces back to Mr. Ogekere. You dare they cry. You cannot even defend Mr. Ogekere. You cannot even comfort them. Rather, you were begging them. You were pleading with them not to talk about Mr. Ogekere for outside. My friend, and now you start. I tell you, topic they come and go, they analyze. First one, they don't confirm and say Mr. Ogekere is even worse. Now so they talk. You did not hear to say he was past Dr. Ngozi. Now the question is, why your men on ground where they talk not patrol 30th? Hey, why do you see anybody that Brgie show for 30th? Vagabønd could not even defend the Brgie that he claimed he loved. Vagabønd said he not love the Brgie. Vagabønd and Sabo, he and Onyocho, he never even repent. See the Onyocho destroy everything, scatter everything. 2 days, he fall back to Brgie. Now, he fall outside. Independent media. Oh, popo, you lie. You not independent, go anywhere. You see that Brgie, you go must stay under that Brgie. You see their plan, you see their life. Now that they discover that Mr. Ogekere is not doing it well, that when they enter that Brgie, things are not working the way they want, and they are falling out. Then they fuck on that 4 year. They tell you the truth yesterday that Mr. Ogekere is not getting it right. Why are you deceiving yourself? Why can't you tell the people the truth of the way these people they analyzed their video yesterday? I was looking and I smiled. Now saw me talk am. When you are only directed to one side, that is what I don't like. Say it the way it is so that people will trust you. People will believe in you. People will listen to you. Not every time Dr. Ngozi. Why the rest people you are defending? Dr. Ngozi is even better. Doing something better compared to them. You go learn the hard way. And I go explain to you no evidence. You see Dr. Ngozi, she's doing well.
They said they are independent media. One day, independent media. Some of it will never. So now that I know that you are not my enemy, that you are actually fighting Ngozi, the demon. You are not actually supporting her.
You see?
I will bring you my topic again.
You see?
If there's something you say that may not go down well, I will try and correct it. But for me to come and make you my topic, I won't do it again. Because he's fighting Dr. Ngozi will never ever be my topic.
You see?
The Jews will never ever be my topic.
You see?
And that Rama, I will work with her.
Oh boy.
Because
Brgie. See on that man.
Anywhere I need to support her to put down that one day, pull it down. There are some things she may not agree with me. We disagree to agree. So don't expect me to come here because I did one program. Like Eunice, you are always angry. Calm down. I'm not a baby.
You be small picking.
I make you my topic. One day, I won't do it again.
You see life?
Biafra Unite will never ever be my topic.
You see?
The Jews will never ever be my topic.
You see?
I will work with her.
Oh.
Because she wants to put down the walls of
Yes,
Jericho.
Because she wants to fight Dr. Ngozi.
Anywhere I need to support her to put down that one day, pull it down.
You see?
There are some things she may not agree with me. We disagree to agree. So don't expect me to come here because I did one program. Like Eunice, you are always angry. Calm down. I'm not a baby.
These people, they have nothing to offer. He said Emmanuel is not his enemy. Biafra Unite is not his enemy. His enemy. That drama is not his enemy. Because these people, they have interior motive to pull down Dr. Ngozi Orabweze. So because they are fighting Dr. Ngozi Orabweze, himself, Vagabønd, we never join the Brgie people to say what these people are doing is wrong. Even when they are complaining to him that this is the statement some of them made against Mr. Ogekere, Vagabønd said, I don't care. Hey! That you are not even fighting for this Brgie. As well, for this live stream that he did not defend Mr. Ogekere for anything. He agreed that all what they said yesterday about Mr. Ogekere is correct. That Mr. Ogekere should step aside. That Brgie is not doing anything. That they are not who or what they say they are. Me, I don't have anything to defend about Dr. Ngozi because you people have been dragging this woman not today. So if I say that I want to come here to start defending Dr. Ngozi, na lie. If you like, believe everything you want to believe. Believe everything you want to believe. The end shall tell. What is happening now? You cannot even defend the Brgie that is making to fight Dr. Ngozi. These people are talking about Mr. Ogekere. You don't care because, and you want people to fight Dr. Ngozi with you. And you know that Mr. Paul is not fighting that type of fight you are fighting. He's not fighting it with you. That is why you don't want to look at his own side. You are looking at Onocho because he have that spirit to lie, to destroy, to scatter. Let me tell you, since Onocho came to join you people, you know, since on our fundraising not the be as before, or you don't reason. We that is on social media, yeah, we dey waka everywhere. Since Onocho came to join Brgie, they sink like this. Onocho covers grace and she covers light. Wherever Onocho enter, now darkness they did their confusion problem, everything that they did there. When Onocho was with USB, with Dr. Ngozi, the same thing was happening. The way Dr. Ngozi they stress, this woman stressed to make sure things go right. And then Brgie was doing well. Why Dr. Ngozi was struggling. But as soon as Onocho left Dr. Ngozi, left the USB, divine grace, divine light, everything start working out. Everything fall back, everything arranged, everything. Look at the speed at which Dr. Ngozi is working. Just because that darkness, God has pushed it away and in enter Brgie. See the way the light of Brgie called dim. If people talk, this vagabond will say they should not say anything about Onocho. Onocho never repent to. Onocho will show you Pepe. Onocho is there to scatter and to destroy. And thank God, as you receive him, is even better. If today Onocho go back to Dr. Ngozi, me, I will not even say anything again. Because I know say anywhere when Onocho enter, something they miss. Things will never remain the same. Have you people not seen what I am saying? Anywhere Onocho enter, things don't remain the same in that place. What is happening today? Brgie, nobody even hear about them again. Brgie can no longer function. Brgie don't even have money for fundraising anymore. People don't contribute. Onocho is just there. With that stigma at all that Onocho is there, people are running away. You forget? You Vavavana, you there the shots about protest. Onocho went to join protest. What happened? People that are supposed to come for the protest, they refuse to come. And you shouted, you say, you fix your date already. Did you go and protest for PM? Did you go and protest for PM? Only Biafra unites, carry out this protest, organize people. So the record is Biafra Unite was able to organize protests. We won't let Brgie could do. Can you defend it? No. The time for the protest never passed. Vary your date of protest. They asked you yesterday, what about the date of your protest? Were you able to see anything? No. Only Dr. Ngozi. See now, Brgie people, they cry for fundraising because since Onocho entered there, people refuse to pay money for Brgie. Onocho is calling people. Ona go see her. He go the stream on a fundraising. I think say they with Ona. I'm so disappointed in some people in that Brgie that they don't have the spirit to design. Immediately they see Onocho come back, they create enmity with everybody. Me, when you see that, they do my thing. So before now, I analyze Dr. Ngozi, I analyze Mr. Gekere. I saw Onocho fall back. They start attacking everybody randomly. Me was sit down my own. They throw something from nowhere. I don't know. They start attacking me again. They continue just because they saw Onocho. Now, the Onocho that is making you to attack everybody. How the Onocho they do on now? It don't tell on say make Ogekere step aside. They have told you that Ogekere is not getting it right. You go confess for this one. It is not obvious that the purpose why they are fighting Dr. Ngozi or why Vagabønd don't want to talk about what they bring to the table that Mr. Ogekere is not doing well is because these people are helping him to fight Dr. Ngozi. But if these people are not fighting Dr. Ngozi tomorrow, Vagabønd will come up for social media. If they stop fighting Dr. Ngozi tomorrow, Vagabønd will stop to have anything to do with them. That means Vagabønd Vamus is trying to use them. Yes, Vagabønd is using these people that he mentioned because their connection is not that Vagabønd really love them, but the connection is that they are helping Vagabønd to fight Dr. Ngozi. That is just only what Vava is interested in. He no even care. If those people like, let them rubbish Mr. Ogekere. Vava don't care. Only what he cares about. Now Ngozi, so far they are also fighting with Ngozi. You don't have anything to lose. You see your life, Vava, you be sabo. You go learn it the hard way. I'm so surprised that why is it that nobody talk about the Biafra constitution that was taken to Amazon? Hey, now there I know say these people they are failure. Now there I know say these people they have failed. In fact, now here we did. Dr. Ngozi do a lot of things. Where be say I'm not involved, but we dey see am because what they bring on social media now we dey analyze. We have seen a lot. Even the 30th, 2 celebration, 2 rank, the embassy and those men on ground, they came and they patrol. Which one Vava bring? Nothing. Onyocho, which one you bring? Nothing. Una go cry tire. You see that fire, it go turn and miss. The spirit of Dr. Ngozi go continue to the fight on one after the other. I told you before, I am here to analyze you, and I go analyze. I go do it perfectly. So my beautiful family, I say the purpose why Vava knew that Mr. Ogekere is not doing anything, because I have to agree with those people, because Vava was unable to convince us. He was unable to debunk it. Vava said Mr. Ogekere is not getting it right, so you better listen now. Vava agreed that Mr. Ogekere is not getting it right, that Mr. Ogekere should go and relax so that another person will take over the seat. That was what they said, and Vava agreed. You hear from him. He said some things should give their consent, so they have right to say it. So Mr. Vava, I be Mr. Vagabond, I be Vagabond of the Vagabondess. He agreed with them that Mr. Ogekere is not getting it right. My people, I go to bring the update they can't give on now. Please share this video and let it go viral. It is now obvious. Vava agreed that the Brgie is not getting it right, because the people that said Brgie is not getting it right, Mr. Ogekere is not getting it right, Vava accept and support them. So not this today that the Brgie is not getting it right. Now from Vava, now we hear the confession has started and progress the analyst. I am here to analyze all the analyzable. See, I tell you, I go drag on now. I go analyze on now. Tosh, I go put that for Nanya. I shall never see anything. So my beautiful family, you've heard it all. That the fundraising, the Brgie people they are collecting, they don't use it for the purpose they say they want to use it for. That they have been deceiving people. That is what Vava agreed with the people. Yes, they said it, and Vava could not debunk it. He agreed that Brgie is not using the fundraising they are raising to do what they're supposed to do, because these are some things that the people were concerned about, and you hear it from Vava himself. He agreed. He said yes, these people, there's something they are concerned about. So they are concerned about the men on ground, that the fundraising is not going to meet them. So today, you better know that Brgie is not using the fundraising for the purpose. Shine your eye, make you hear. Progress the analysis. That's why I'm here. I'm here to analyze everything and do where to share our videos. Subscribe if you haven't, because you won't regret it. If you forget everything, remember, Vava agreed with us that the people that said Mr. Ogekere should step aside, that the people are right. You understand? That the people, they are right. Not that. Not this one and no peace and have peace. So thank you so much. I still remain your one and only, your favorite, your lovely baby girl progressive analyst, and I will keep on updating you on the latest happening. Thank you and bye for now.